Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the good old HENMI bicycle frame bag. And it is IPX5 waterproof. It's a mobile phone case for our bicycle with TPU touchscreen foil. It's a bicycle bag inclusive of a mobile phone holding system for smartphones up to 7 inches for mountain bike, road bikes, e-bikes, pedelecs, bicycles, and it's a good accessory. It is available in 19 to 10 to 3.5 centimeter or to 20, 10 and 7 centimeter. We have a sensitive touchscreen. The mobile phone holder for the bicycle is equipped with a highly sensitive TPU touchscreen film. And the Velcro fastener inside the bag additionally stabilizes the phone, though that the screen of the phone is firmly attached to the TPU touchscreen film, so we can easily use the phone without taking it out of the bag. We can easily use our phone to navigate, answer calls, or listen to music while driving, improving our comfort and making our ride more comfortable and funnable. And an all-weather mobile phone case for our bicycle comes here. The sun visor on the top reduces the reflection from sunlight and ensures a clear view of the road. The bicycle mobile phone bag is made of IPX5 waterproof level design and it is durable EVA materials, which protects the contents of the bag from bumps and pressure. The colored waterproof zippers also prevent rainwater from entering to the bag and the content getting wet. This bike bag is better able to withstand the variety weather than the road conditions while driving. And is compatible with the mobile phones of nearly all sizes. The bicycle bag frame measures 20 to 10 to 7 centimeters and is compatible with mobile phones up to 7 inches and smaller to meet the need of the different users. Regardless of the brand of the mobile phone, it can be easily placed in it. No need to worry about the mobile phone is too big or too small to put it in. And we have a compact and space-saving design. The bicycle frame bag is tailored to the needs of the daily driving and offers enough space for a mini pump, repair tools, lights, sunglasses, cycling gloves, and other bicycle accessories. It is the perfect companion for on the go. It's suited for various bicycle models such as e-bikes, mountain bikes, scooters, electronic bikes, and so on. Of course. Maybe you can attach it to your motorcycle too. And we have a multi-angle adjustment. The bicycle mobile phone bag is adjustable 360 degrees in any direction and fits handlebar diameters of 20 up to 55 millimeters. The bicycle frame bag is relatively easy to assemble. No tools are required to an easy attach. Practical for everyday use and for long distance rides. It comes with 2 rubber pads that we can attach to the handlebar if it is required. And of course, it is a good thing. It is available on the market in an S size and in an M size. Here you can see the M size version of it. It is the model HMB01, or the small version is the S01. It is made of EVA TPU film and PE sheet as sun visor, plus polyester aldehyde. This is the fastener. The weight is in the medium version is 0.26 pounds. And the applicates to our bicycles, for example, is universal and for our smartphones. 7 inches mobile phone are matches or smaller, of course. Then the handlebar is possible, or a stem installation is possible, or on the top tube an installation is possible. As you can see in that installation process in that video here, we can use the bike bag for more stability installation. We can use the non-slip strips and stick them where we want to mount them to increase the friction. And then we insert one end of the bracket strips into the adjustment gear. Then we press both bracket strips by hand until the tops are equal in the length. Then we rotate the adjustment gear to ensure both bracket strips engage simultaneously. If the anti-slip gasket drops, we can install it back because it is in a click system. Then we rotate the adjustment gear to the left to tighten it, anti-clockwise. No, it's a clockwise rotation, sorry. And after this process, we can insert and mount the back until we hear a click sound. Job's done. Then we can use it in vertical or transverse mode. We can remove it from the scene, or we can back attach it by sliding the back into position. The product can be rotated 360 degrees after fixed on the handlebar. When we don't use the rotation function, we can use the tool to tighten the screws at the bottom. After tightening, we can rotate manually to choose the direction. And then we can have fun with it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.